welcome to AJ Flaming Wolf. Today I'm going to do cooking with Alex, and I'm going to be making Parmesan Chive Popcorn. So we have two special guests. We have Chunky Water Fluff and Mayor Burrito here to be observing because they're popcorn masters. So our ingredients are plain popcorn, butter, Parmesan, sea salt, and dried chives from our garden. So I took the plastic off the popcorn, and now I'm going to press the popcorn button. Or you could just press 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So I'm going to put it in there, close it, and press start. So it just got finished. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle some sea salt on the butter. And then I'm going to put the butter in the microwave for 10 seconds. So it wasn't fully melted, so I'm going to do 10 more seconds. So I just finished melting the butter. Now I'm going to take a rubber bowl and, well, a rubber bowl with a cap. And I'm going to put however much popcorn I want into the bowl. And then pour on the butter. Then add Parmesan. And then the chives. Then I really like sea salt, so I'm going to add some more sea salt. And so now I'm going to add the cap, and then after I add on the cap, if I can ever get it on, I'm going to shake it. So it's all mixed together. So I took the lid off, and now it's all mixed together. It tastes delicious. So that's it for today, guys. Bye.